This is Hallicrafters Rehabs. Welcome back. This is not a Hallicrafters radio. It was my dad's FM, AM, long wave, and air. So you can listen to the aircraft beacons for some ever reason. You like to hear the same Morse code 3 letters over and over again, or 2. And then it has the aircraft band on it. It's made by Crown in Japan. That was the best place to get a radio back then, whoever that is. And it has a leather case. It complies with Part 15 Subpart C of the FCC regulations, kind of like saying this nuclear plant complies with Title 10 of the Code of Federal Regulations, Part 50. Not very, doesn't mean much. Looks like a couple of earphone jacks, or maybe it's supposed to be stereo, I don't know. You got AC and DC. I think it used to have a handle, let's see. No more. And it also comes with, I'm wearing these, roach houses and eggs and debris and everything else, which we'll need to take care of first off. See if there's anything left in this. Didn't do much. Okay, so we're going to have to work on cleaning the outside a little bit. On the inside, this opens up. There's the AC cord and some earphones. Yes, this is loose here. And we have a corroded battery terminal. It doesn't look too bad. I can clean that up. And electrolytic, oh fun, a little bit of restoration work. And so let's work on that for a little bit and clean it up, and we'll come back. So I went ahead and put the batteries in. Let's see if I got this. It's on this one. See, we're on air right now. Look at that. Need some more cleaning inside, I think. That's long wave, and no nearby beacons here. Yeah, well, let's see. Let's work on this switch a little bit. Super HFE. I think it was on FM last. I forgot to hold my nose. Stuff's particularly rude. While we're at it, we'll do the tone. I think that bushing came out. Only goes one way, I bet you. That's the high quality Japan, you know. Turn around to the minimum. Couldn't places in here. Uh-oh. I didn't like the way that went here. Okay, and this one. On off.
In his
Stuff cleaned that up pretty good, didn't it? No issues with contact now. Alright, let's go ahead and do the variable capacitor. You just pull right out. Plastic is pretty weak and aged. You can very easily crack it. No noise when moving the capacitor now. Okay, well,
triangle.
looks like it was made yesterday. All right, so the punch list for this is reattach the antenna plastic, which has come loose, probably because of the strength trying to push this in and everything like that. You know how that goes. Which one is it? I think this one is missing that bushing. Okay, and we'll bring this around here. We'll have to put in a new capacitor. Just hold it open with this baby. Okay, we'll have to put a resolder this, put a new electrolytic down in there. A little bit of JB weld in here that's really quite weakly attached. Let's see if we can see. Yeah. Somebody's already done that once before. But they probably used some kind of cheap, like I would use, to reattach that. And this is your attachment points to the three, to the back here. So we have an operating radio we need to order a part, and then that's probably when I'll go into this. I might go ahead and reattach this right here. So this is what's in the plans here. This back porch, where I'm currently raising money for it to enclose it and turn it into a shop and art studio. Art studio over on this side, and then instruments there, hardware there, and soldering stations are along here. So that's the plan. And so I'm kind of reluctant to get into the HT-37 until I get that, until I at least get some things started here, because that's such a heavy piece of machinery. It sure would be a lot easier if you had the mechanical right next to the soldering station, right next to the test bench, and move that 800-pound beast from one to the other without a whole lot of without 2 men in a truck. So that's the plan, and so I need to go order those parts for the other radio, and we'll just work other odds and ends until we can give you an update on this. And it looks like I won't make the Dalton Hamfest. My brother-in-law is having knee surgery next week, so my sister needs me there. So this is Hallicrafters Rehabs. This is a short one. Thanks for watching.